Hi, this is Dr. Binversie, your Carbondale Chiropractor, and today I'm going to show you a couple tips for those of you that work in an office setting where you're seated for or in a seated position for long periods of time. Hopefully this will be some helpful tips for you as far as how I recommend setting up your workstation so it can help to reduce your chances of experiencing neck pain, headaches, and lower back issues as well. So the first thing that I'm going to touch on is your actual monitor, because the majority of you that are in that office setting do have a computer set up or a workstation that you're going to be at, and ideally you want to be, as you can see in this situation here, the computer monitor, we want that at about eye level, so you're looking straight ahead. We don't want it to be lower, and we also don't want it to be extremely higher than your eye level as well. So again, looking straight ahead is going to be ideal in that situation. If you're in a situation where you're having to go through a lot of paperwork, or maybe you're reading books and referencing back and forth between that and your computer, what I would recommend doing or maybe looking into is a clipboard or something that can prop that material up for you so you're not having to, again, bend down as long when you're looking or reading on that paper as well. So again, that clipboard could be a very beneficial thing for you, and again, trying to get that up as high as possible would be a benefit for you there. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the actual posture of what you want to be doing throughout the day, and this is going to be, I'm not sure if you can see me very well, but I'm sitting towards the edge of my chair, and what that does is it really helps out with the posture. It helps to engage a lot of the lower back muscles, and then we also want to concentrate on trying to get those shoulders back just a little bit as well. That's going to really help out reducing the stress of those upper back and neck muscles towards the end of the day. And the last tip that I'd recommend for those of you that sit for long periods of time is actually getting up every 20 to 30 minutes or so. And the reason why I say that is when you're in a seated position, the amount of pressure that's going down in the lower part of your back is about 200% more than what you are when you're in a standing position. So again, if we're just looking at our spine model, those discs between the bones here, again, if you're in that seated position, you're squishing those down quite a bit more, and over time that can become irritating and cause you some lower back pain and discomfort. So hopefully these are some helpful tips for those of you, again, that work in that an office type setting where you're at a workstation or seated for long periods of time. If you have found these helpful, glad that we are able to do that. If you're experiencing neck or back pain, feel free to give our office a call at 519-9334. Again, this is your Carbondale Chiropractor, Dr. Binversie.